Supreme Court justices to meet privately amid coronavirus outbreak. The Supreme Court justices will meet privately on Friday, in person or by telephone, to discuss pending cases and presumably how they will handle the rest of a blockbuster term as the nation and the world self-quarantine in the midst of a pandemic. The meeting is one of the regularly scheduled conferences the justices hold throughout the term, but it comes as the court has closed its doors to the public and taken other precautions while the country grapples with the coronavirus. Earlier in the week, the court said some justices may choose to participate remotely by telephone. That's because 6 of them are 65 or older. Justices Ruth Bader Ginsburg and Stephen Breyer are in their 80s, well within the government standard for individuals at a higher risk. In the same press release, the court said that in order to abide by public health precautions, it would postpone oral arguments for the next sitting, which had been scheduled to begin Monday. The most important case from that sitting is President Donald Trump's bid to shield his financial documents. The move to postpone is exceedingly rare, but there is precedent. In 1918, arguments were postponed in response to the Spanish flu epidemic. The calendar was shortened in 1793 and 1798 in response to yellow fever outbreaks. In announcing this postponement, the court said it would examine the options for rescheduling the 11 cases. In addition, on Thursday the court extended deadlines for petitions that have not already been granted. Among the cases it will discuss during its private conference Friday is one concerning a California law that limits cooperation between local law enforcement and federal immigration authorities, a measure that the Trump administration says is meant to undermine federal immigration enforcement. The justices could also discuss whether they are ready to release opinions as early as next week. Even before the onset of the virus, the court was behind schedule in issuing its opinions. Still outstanding are blockbuster cases concerning the Obama-era program known as Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, LGBTQ rights and the Second Amendment. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.